Hi guys, this is Roxie from YouTube channel R&A Cake Decorations, and today's video we are going to make buttercream. We are using 4 blocks of unsalted butter. Each block is like 1 pound of butter, or each block is like 4 little butter sticks. So the first thing that we are going to do with this butter is making it soft. So you have to put your butter on the microwave. I'm gonna do it 1 full minute, but you please do it 30 seconds at a time, because you know each microwave is different and have different setups. So maybe yours is hotter than mine. So when you reach this point that your butter is just like this, like you see in the images, that means that it's really good to start making your butter. So just throw your butter into your machine, and this is the way that it has to look. So now I'm gonna take my spatula, that way you can see the consistency of the butter. So this is the way that it has to look, and this is the way that it has to feel. So really soft to work with, just like this. And now we are going to turn on our machine on low speed. I'm sorry guys, I know that I'm making a lot of noise with my nose. I have a runny nose right now, I'm sick, but don't worry, the day that I make that butter, it was like a month ago I think, or more than a month, and I'm just translated on English right now. Well, I'm translated on my version of English. You know that English is not my first language, and I always have a lot of problems trying to pronunciate things, but you got me, right? You understand what I'm saying. Well, so now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of the pure vanilla extract, but you know it doesn't have to be pure. You can buy whatever vanilla you find, the cheapest one. Just make sure that it tastes like vanilla. So if you like a lot the vanilla flavor, just add 2 tablespoons or 3. And now I'm adding a half a cup of regular granulated sugar. And most of you are going to say, why I'm putting regular sugar on my buttercream? Well, I have tasted a lot of buttercreams with only powdered sugar on it, and I really don't like it. So I start adding regular sugar to my buttercream, and it really makes the difference. It really tastes a little bit different and better. So I just beat my butter a lot. That way I don't have this granulated sugar like showing on the butter. And then I add a half a cup of powdered sugar, but I'm going to add it really slow, because if you put at once, because your machine is running, you're going to end up with a big cloud of powdered sugar all over your kitchen, and it's going to be a mess. So do it as slow as you see in the images, that way you don't have this problem that I had once. So now this is the time when you finish pouring all that sugar, you stop the machine and taste your butter. And that's the moment that you are going to decide if you want to add more sugar or not, because you know everybody has different tastes and everybody loves different kind of sweets on your butters. So I beat this buttercream a lot. It was on the machine like 20 minutes I think. And this is the moment that if you want to add color to your buttercream, do it right now and just beat again your buttercream. So I'm gonna take my spatula again, and I'm gonna flip it like this, and cha-cha-cha-chan! If your butter holds like this really well, that means that your butter is ready to use. If you have a butter really soft, just put it on the fridge a few minutes and then beat it again with your machine, and that's the perfect medium consistency of butter. Look, it holds really well and it's really easy to use it. And that's how you make buttercream the easy way. I hope you like this video. Remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel. There is R&A Cake Decorations. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and on Instagram like R&Acakedecorations. I'm Roxie and I see you on the next video. Bye bye!